Hello everyone, today's topic is doshagati. Introduction. Dushayanti iti doshaha. What is doshagati? Doshagati means gati which is required for sanchara of prana, ahara, sagna, mala and other essential factors. Then the next point is nirakti of gati. Margena gachana. Synonyms of gati. There are three synonyms: chalanam, gamanam, chakramanam. Doshagati is movement of dosha which commits normal sthana. What are the doshagati bheda? There are total 5 doshagati bhedas. First one is prakruta vaikruta gati, kshaya sthana vriddhi. Second, kshaya sthana vriddhi. Third, urdhva adha tiryaka. Fourth, कोष्ठ शाखा मर्मास्थि संधि. Fifth, chaya prakopa prashamana. In that we will study first prakruta and vaikruta gati. Then what is the prakruta gati? The gati that which happens in healthy individual related to the physiological variations. That means normal gati of the doshas in normal person, healthy person. Then what is the vaikruta gati? It happens in diseased condition and vaikrut avastha. The direction or the movement of doshas happening in the deceased person, they are called as vaikruta gati. Second classification is kshaya sthana vriddhi. Here comes the shloka. क्षयः स्थानं च वृद्धिश्च दोषाणां त्रिविध गतिः, which explains kshaya refers to the diminution of the doshas, which means decrease of the doshas. Sthana refers to the normal or the equilibrium state of the doshas. And vriddhi refers to the aggravation of the doshas. Here you can just remember this one shloka and you are good to go. Urdhva adha and tiryaka gati. Urdhva gati, upward movement of doshas, reduces the diseases like chardi, udavarta, raktapitta and amla pitta. In urdhva gati, when the direction of doshas is upward, they cures or reduces the diseases which are chardi, udavarta, raktapitta and amlapitta. 4 diseases, you remember? Then second type is adhogati. Now the direction of doshas is downward. Which diseases they reduce? Here also there are some diseases like amlapitta, raktapitta, patisara, pravahika, grahani. 5 diseases. Repeat after me. Amlapitta, raktapitta, atisara, pravahika, grahani. Tiryaka gati. You know tiryaka means oblique movement, and the diseases which we have to remember which are reducing while the movement is going on in tiryaka movement, tiryaka direction, they are jvara, kushta, visarpa, shvetra. 4 diseases. Repeat after me. Jvara, kushta, visarpa, shvetra. It will go. Fourth classification is chaya prakopa prashamana gati. What is chaya? Chayaho vriddhihi. Chaya means the accumulation of doshas or mild increasing doshas in its own sthana. Here own sthana is very important, and what is happening? Increasing doshas, but where? In their own sthana. Got it? Next, prakopa. Swadhan eva pradvesha vriddhi hetushu kopastu unmad damitaha refers to the aggravation of doshas to the other place. Here also the aggravation of doshas is happening, but where? In other place. Next point, prashama. It refers to the pacification of doshas or normalcy of the doshas in their respective sthana and non-manifestation of disease. Where the normal doshas are there, They are in their own sthana, second point, and third point is there is no manifestation of any disease. Here completes fourth classification. Now fifth classification is Koshta, Shakha, Marma Asti, Sandigata. The Dushit doshas move from one place to another place and lodge in any three sthanas and manifest the disease. Now, which are the sthanas they are localizing? The first is Koshta, which refers to the movement of doshas towards alimentary tract. Second is Shakha, refers to movement of dosha towards extremities. And third, Marmasthi Sandhi, which refers to the movement of doshas towards vital parts as well as bones and joints. Here completes our classification. The next point is movement of dosha from Koshta to Shakha. Now, when abnormalities occur, doshas which usually need to be in Koshta move towards Shakha. The shloka is व्यायाम उष्मनात् तैक्ष्ण्यात् अहितस्य अनवचरणात् कोष्ठशाखा मलयान्ति द्रुतत्वात् मारुतस्य च. Here vitiated doshas move from Koshta to Shakha due to Vyayama. There are reasons which is why the doshas which are moving from Koshta to Shakha. What are these reasons? First one is Vyayama, exercise. Exercise lead to initiation of Vata, which helps in dislodgement of doshas from their place. Point is Vyayama Ushmanata Tekshnata, which describes these are the responsible for liquefaction of doshas and dilation of channels by which dosha travels from Koshta to Shakha. Here you can understand like that doshas are traveling from one place to another place, that is Koshta to Shakha. How they will travel? The channels which they need to be traveled from should be dilated, should be loose so that they could travel from that, and doshas should be liquefied so that they can flow from the channels to the another place. Due to excessive unwholesome food leads to vitiation of these doshas, resulting in increase in quantity and overflow like fluid. Dhrutatvat marutasya, the vitiated doshas deviated from normal direction by the force of vata, thereby moves from koshta to shakha. Due to force of vata, yes, vata helps to move doshas, all doshas from koshta to shakha. The next point is movement of dosha from shakha to koshta. Here we understood in the first point that now doshas traveled from koshta to shakha, that is from abdomen to the limbs, lower limb or upper limbs. Now we have to invite them back. It's kind of it's inviting kind of thing. We are inviting them back to their own place. Now how it could be done? The shloka is Vruddhi Vishamvata Pakata Stroto Shakha Mukta Malaha Koshtam Yanti Tvayascha Nigraha. Doshas lose shakha and move towards koshta due to vruddhi. It means quantitative increase in doshas which fills up the strotas and takes back to koshta. Doshas get increased and that's why they come back to koshta. Vishandana. What is Vishandana? Liquefaction of dosha. Paka, pachana of dosha or separation of doshas detached from strotas. Strotomukha Vishodhana, cleansing the obstruction of the strotas with open up the channels. Vayu Nigraha, pacifying of Vata, bringing back to normal avastha. Then the last point is importance of doshagati. Doshagati occurs in many stages and it is essential for diagnosis, prognosis and understanding the pathology and planning the treatment of the protocol. So here remember these 4 points in importance, and here ends our chapter Doshagati. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye. We will come up again with another lecture of Roganidana in our series Roganidana. There are other series available on our channel. Please do visit and watch them. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Keep studying. Be happy and don't be stressed.